Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and welcome in class. Today our topic is about cell cycle. So let's start. Definition of cell cycle. What is cell cycle? Cell cycle is the series of events from the time of a cell produced until it completes mitosis and produce new cells. Cell cycle is basically a series of events from cell produced till the cell divide itself into two daughter cells. So cell cycle consists of two phases, interphase and mitotic phase. Mitotic phase mean mitosis. Interphase is that phase in which cell prepare itself for the division. Cell अपने आप को prepare करेगा and all the essential things like proteins, enzymes, chromosomes all will be produced during interphase, and then cell will enter in mitotic phase and cell divide itself into two new daughter cells. सो इंटरफेस की देखते हैं क्या क्वालिटीज़ हैं, क्या करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं. इंटरफेस इज़ अ लॉन्ग फेस. सेल प्रिपेयर इट सेल्फ फॉर डिवीजन एंड हेयर द मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी इज़ वेरी हाई. सेल के अंदर जितनी भी केमिकल एक्टिविटीज़ हैं लाइक प्रिपरेशन है, सिंथेसिस है, प्रोटीन्स की, इंजाइम्स की, डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स है, ऑल विल बी वेरी हाई. And then cell will enter in mitotic phase. It's a short time phase and cell divide itself into two new daughter cells. So interphase contains 90% of the cell cycle. 90% तक interphase होगी, then cell will enter in mitotic phase. So now we will see what is interphase. Interphase is further classified or consists of three stages: G1 gap 1, S synthesis phase and G2 gap 2 phase. So G1 phase अगर देखा जाए तो after its production, when cell is produced, it will enter in the G1 phase. During its phase, cell increase supply of proteins, increase the number of organelles like mitochondria and ribosomes, and grows in size. This phase is also known as for the synthesis of various enzymes that are required in the next phase. G1 में ऐसे enzymes की preparation होगी जो कि next like synthesis phase में जिनकी ज़रूरत है. So S phase for duplication of chromosomes, and next है S phase cell duplicate it chromosomes. S phase में cell अपने chromosomes को duplicates करेगा and then G2 phase में enter होगा. G2 phase में spindle fiber बनना start हो जाएंगे और cell को वो तमाम proteins की ज़रूरत होगी. cell वो तमाम proteins produce करेगा जो further cell को जाके आगे spindle fiber बनाने में help करेगा. And here we have another phase that is GO और G0 phase. एक्चुअली G0 फेज़ एक ऐसी फेज़ है जिसमें सेल या तो परमानेंटली या इनडेफिनेटली या सेमी परमानेंटली टाइम के लिए एंटर हो जाता है. सो इन मल्टीसेलुलर यूकैरियोट्स सेल एंटर G0 और GO फेज़ फ्रॉम G1 एंड स्टॉप डिवाइडिंग. सम सेल्स रिमेन इन G0 फेज़ फॉर इनडेफिनेट टाइम पीरियड, लाइक हमारे ब्रेन सेल्स हैं, न्यूरॉन्स हैं, जो वो G0 फेज़ में इनडेफिनेट टाइम पीरियड के लिए एंटर हो जाते हैं. सम सेल्स एंटर इन G0 फेज फॉर सेमी परमानेंटली. फॉर एग्जांपल लिवर एंड किडनी के जो सेल्स हैं वो थोड़े से टाइम के लिए डिवीजन रोक देते हैं, बट आफ्टर डैट वो अपनी डिवीजन स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. मैनी सेल्स डू नॉट एंटर इन G0 फेज एंड कंटिन्यू टू डिवाइड लाइक एपिथेलियल सेल्स. एपिथेलियल सेल्स वो सेल हैं जो हमारी एनिमल या हमारी बॉडी को कवर करते हैं. तो ये सेल जो G0 फेज में एंटर ही नहीं होते और ये कंटिन्यू रहते हैं थ्रू आउट लाइफ, डिवाइड होते रहते हैं. So here is the mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the mitotic phase. Cell divide itself in two cells. Cell अपने आप को two cells में divide कर देगा. And in all body cells occurs. Mitosis तमाम body cells में होती है, like liver cells, kidney cells, heart cells. So mitosis is in which cell divide itself into two new daughter cells, and the number of chromosomes will remain same in new daughter cells. Like this is the parent cell and it will be produced two new daughter cells, and these two daughter cells also contain same number of chromosomes. It means that during mitosis cell will produce identical new two daughter cells. So अगर बात कर लें liver cells की, let's suppose this is our liver cell and it will be produced two new liver cells, and liver cells contain 46 chromosomes. 46 number of chromosomes are present inside the human being cells. So if let's suppose if it is the cell of heart, then heart will produce new two daughter cells which have the exactly same number of chromosome as the parent cell. Meiosis mean less reduction. It means that during meiosis cell will reduce its number of chromosomes. Cell divide itself into 4 new daughter cells, and it take place inside a specific cells or germline cells or reproductive cells or sex cells. So cell will produce, like parent cell produce firstly two daughter cells, and this is called meiosis 1, and then these two new daughter cells will produce two new daughter cells. This daughter cell will produce no new two daughter cells, and this will cell produce two new daughter cells. It means that meiosis end will 4 हिप्लॉइड डॉटर सेल्स. मियोसिस के लास्ट में 4 डॉटर सेल्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे, लाइक number 1, 2, 3 and 4. But mitosis ends with the 2 daughter cells, and these 2 daughter cells are identical to the parent cell, and number of chromosome will remain same. But the meiosis parent cell has the 46 number of chromosomes, but daughter cells have the half of number of chromosomes. That's why these are called haploid new daughter cells. So dear students, today we discuss about the cell cycle. Till the next lecture, Allah Hafiz.